Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes in Canada. Gather your T4 slips, receipts, and SIN, choose NetFile or paper filing, and organize documents before you start. I will walk you through account setup, entering income, claiming deductions like RRSP and medical expenses, calculating tax owing or refund, and submitting electronically. Stay calm and follow each step. First, sign into CRA My Account or create one to view past returns and benefits. Next, pick NetFile certified software or a tax pro depending on your comfort and complexity. Enter your personal info, import T4 data where available, and double-check direct deposit details. I'll remind you to keep copies of all submitted documents and to note deadlines to avoid penalties and interest. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making easy tax guides. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and saving, which pairs nicely with smart tax planning. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a copy if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on common deductions like RRSP, medical expenses, and tuition to lower taxable income. Use receipts and supporting documents to calculate each claim accurately and watch for transfer rules or carry-forward options. For self-employed work, track business expenses and home office calculations carefully. I'll explain how credits and deductions interact so you can optimize your refund or reduce tax owing without triggering reassessment risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.